This is, I assume, copper,
Yep, that's copper.
and then that gray is
That's your lead pipe that we're going to be ripping out of the ground here shortly. Tell me when to stop, Mason. Good. All right, sir. Okay.
So what do you do with the lead?
We recycle it. In there. That's the other thing about plumbing. A lot of this is just so touchy feel sometimes.
What is the problem?
So we are looking to identify the lead service laterals in Sun Prairie. We know we have about 225 of them. We have identified 95 and are looking for the rest currently with help of the homeowners. In 1991, the EPA determined the lead and copper rules should be enacted and that it can be harmful to humans.
How does one know if they have a lead service?
So you can verify yourself if you'd like. You will be able to tell if a magnet sticks to that pipe or not. You can also tell by scraping it and the color that it turns. A simple YouTube search will show you how to check it, or you can call us at the utility and we'll send a water operator out to determine for you.
Why is lead bad?
Small amounts of lead can be harmful to brain development, kidneys, the nervous system. We do test a certain amount of homes every year for lead, and we only had one home that exceeded the EPA standards, and it was still a very, very small amount of lead in the home.
Why did they use lead in the first place?
They haven't used it much after the 40s. So far, that is the latest home that we have found with lead in it. Most of those were all 1900 or earlier.
So after like 1940, they went away from lead, and if you had a house that was built, say, in the 50s.
Could be. There's no guarantee the material that was used. There was still components in new construction up until the 80s even, they're saying. A lot of that just soldering, couplings could be lead, but it was not common to use actual lead for the lateral. So now we need to offer a program to get to assist the customers with the financial portion of getting the lead out of the system.
Do you have a plan and how to do that?
We do. We introduced the lead service lateral replacement program. So financial assistance is available to the property owners for their lead service lateral replacement. A grant can pay up to 50% of that, up to a maximum of $2,000. And then there's also a 60-month zero interest loan that we can offer that will just be a line item on the utility bill. If the house is sold, that would be due, it's non-transferable, so it won't be passed on to the new owner. And the time frame for that is this program is going to run for 3 years upon date of notification. So once the customer determines and we determine that they have lead in the house, we will send a letter, and that starts the time frame for that 3 years. We estimate this project will take about 5 years, because it'll probably take us about 2 years to keep identifying the rest of these laterals.